Have you ever thought about trading real estate properties just like stocks? It wasn't really possible until recently. This company called Ark7, located in San Francisco, has made it possible. Now you can trade real estate property shares, just like stocks, with as little as $30. I mean right now. A few friends of mine started this wonderful company in San Francisco about a year ago. It's a platform where you can trade shares of real estate properties, just like stocks. This startup received $2 million seed funds, owns 3 properties in Berkeley and 1 in Austin, Texas, which you can trade with share prices currently ranging from $28 to $940. Just send me an email with your name at dr.buren@gmail.com and I'll get you a $10 off for an investment worth more than $100. Also, your orders are placed through their website, ark7.com, directly. The 3 properties in Berkeley are expected to appreciate 5 to 9% annually and to give back a significant amount of rental income, which is used for paying up to 6% dividends to their investors. That sounds a lot less volatile than the stock market. The one in Austin is expected to give back 11% return on price appreciation and 2.76 to 3.76 on rental income annually. Together, that will be close to 15% return. All these 3 properties in Berkeley are close to UC Berkeley. The one in Austin, Texas locates within a 30 minutes driving distance from major companies, such as General Motors, Facebook, Amazon, Dell, etc. On the platform, you can only trade those properties that they have bought and managed. That's a kind of limitation. But definitely the property volume is going to grow further and will operate in other states as well. Another is that currently only accredited investors are allowed to invest. But the company is applying for broader public offerings. The company itself has committed to invest into 1 to 10% of each of the properties in order to be with its investors in terms of interest. So if you are interested in investing in real estate, or looking for investment outside stock market and bond market, or don't have enough budget to buy a whole real estate property, or just don't want to invest all you have into real estate, then this might be a good chance for you to invest with as little as a few $100s. The best part is that you don't need to deal with things like all associated paperwork, searching for tenants, fixing toilet, rental collection, property management, and all that. Because the company takes care of it for you. Of course, at their cost, not yours. The company is registered with SEC for the legitimacy of its business operation. Just to be clear, anyone who buys any shares of these properties is to directly own a piece of the property or properties. In other words, Ark7 does not own any of the properties as its assets on the balance sheet, like the traditional real estate investment companies do. Instead, investors would directly own pieces of the properties, like individual companies in stock market. The team is led by Andy, who is ex-Google, ex-Twitter, ex-LinkedIn software engineer. Jim is a professional real estate broker who was listed in Wall Street Journal top 100 agents in US. Meg got her master's from New York University and is responsible for marketing. Of course, like any investments, risks always come with it. However, as long as we manage well, it won't go unexpectedly. In this case, the risks likely would be 3. First is market risk. The average housing price in Berkeley and Austin, Texas has been rising 5 to 9% year over year in the recent few years, but it can go in any direction in the future. Second is natural disasters. The properties are insured by insurance company for most of the natural disasters, except for earthquakes. The third is property management risk. Ark7 does manage this risk by screening their tenants, by doing credit score checks and background checks, and do rental collection and all that. But exceptions could happen. After you registered on their website, ark7.com, you can place your orders, just like stocks. Also, as I mentioned before, if you buy through me shares worth more than $100, you can get $10 off. You just need to refer to my name, Calvin Buren, when you buy. Or send me an email at dr.buren@gmail.com. I'll forward your request to them for a $10 discount. So definitely check out their website and contact them if you're interested in either buying some shares of their real estate properties or just want to see out of curiosity. If you're not satisfied, that's fine. In the end, what will you lose? That's it for today. It's a short video, but I believe it's an interesting one for you. Hope you enjoyed it and wish you the best. As always, see you next time.